na CJ.
Yes, madam.
Yenko da bokrata ni.
Yenko da bokrata.
Na ye share amanebo ahodoa.
Gari ni makweni mo ba.
Mo share nim sa mo ne bekasa. Ehia pa. Na ya share de Dr. Farijan kan no. Na say CJ nanu ya abai wei serum yi e de ne sugar daddy court a e ko wi ati ebo asem to go ye. Se court bo ne ka o. So court bonika nti omo na omo ya lawyer for no
eno ti dey say wudi kan court a
eno nche say wadi bim so ye bonika say wa say court adaje enti no said ye referejan kan kwan bi so na nim di fo mi beka say eni omo ya adwen esanse ba no election petition a enye dwuma ketwa election petition enye dwuma ketwa media stations TV stations ahodo a ebe broadcasting live nyina no eyebre it is obe westi oman nyina bre to this extent e bra wan kasa woni mpefe say woni evidence woni bibia ma wunyina so san pampa say abato no wodi nkudimu a na eno no e wo say yi court no boka
na lawyer na ora Farijan che say amayoku omushada
financiers no and party supporters no gidi asema wini so no oni say
next time what me finance
asade na babiem asanso na sene bi won e na okan no say sanctions ne be buy omo sanye bi ma media organizations no so a ye be broadcasting live no because yenso ye boka sa 3 hours 2 hours 1 na ye de fire no busumi woni mo eka station agba na enti no court ogene de no man agene de no mo sanso gibi ama media organizations no ye da se pa ne asoti ama ye de ama ye yenko ye na sije ye hwa no called the Bokata de Fetu Dunsia Forestry Commission Edia de Sre Enamu Omuchese Asrafo na nkomobo omumurewura kwaye mu ni ade boye kwaye ho ban efigaram se ho no sese no sa last time ho no na panyefo we draw sa eye asrafo ni nyina na wose omo san ema asrafo ne emra biem emeboa omudwumade sanse se ba bi adwuma na adru no wo mo Forestry Commission ko a entume enye wapanye Hugh Brown ono na ye executive director Edema Forestry Services Division Edema eye Forestry Commission no na anya wabomodin edi semi atuja ewo kratafa to so dunsia eti sempanyefo betie no mo de ye adwuma no masan de asrafo na kwa yen kwaye no ye bebo ho ban eno so ho asam ewo ha na sije me fan kwa ne fa to so dunson unse ebra na MPP ebekwa abato so na omakoto abayi frankatuni ye Dr. Mamudu Bawumia no ensempino na baye ni nana sa akandifo executives na wamuda MPP ano ewo framantemu no na obia obabi ogina obia ebigina Kennedy ebigina Dr. Bawumia ebigina hwan ekowi akire no na nkrofo kase na msede obia gira ne nkosa ne ntino amakro ye enim panyifo ne ntem enti anhwe ye krompo na se omo betumi akambo ma ye adwuma ewo mantem ni mu na MPP anya madodo enye ye eno na voter regional chairman makafui wanya edi tudwa ese eno enye no kre wo se yampa sabre no obi agina ne nko obi ani babia no ogina eno obi adi na chitaye made ono pese hunu ne se wona beboa party no no moto aba ne wieye ya party manyina de delegates na koyi frankatuni ono na ye kandifo de ma party no wo munyina sande nkambom na ekọ afiwo ya bato December eba so enti wo so obi ada wona asomdwe wo hono kroye wo hono adwumade no mo be no mo de ama MPP numbers our framantem no akona nim na eno dan chenso a katafa to dun siase hai Dr. Mamudu Bawumia ekopie mu ewo eye University of Ghana dwumadi omode hyehyɛ so na eno no eye new year eye new school no ne ho sensem no na eno na opanyi ede atudwa wo kye se eba no digital devices mo se ka devices a mobile phone smartphone simu ne laptops mo ne ade ne nyina ye devices a eboa ema ne yesi bibia ya abefo a ema dwumadi ne koso na Dr. Bawumia ekye se esese so obi adwumu se ema sa smartphone se fa ye adwuma eye ahote anaso ho na ato enti da bi wose bia wiase ne ekono eho behia so mo de be ye adwuma enti odi ato eye tertiary institutions ahodo na nim ese omo ema digital devices no enye wo madehia pa esanse ho na ene wiase no enyina enam ya omo ensa kana sanso bema ekwan na omatumi asuasuamo eniema ene ho enhyehyɛ ya ahodo we ene sema Dr. Mamudu Bawumia ede atudwa ya oba anim hase ya obehunu emu amane kakra ewo ha na katafeto so miensa e wo daily graphic he yan so and na Right Reverend Dr. Abraham Nana Opare Kwache oye moderator Edma Presbyterian Church of Ghana na ode atudwa wo se wo ho ya okita kokromutie na okita wabato card ya de bekwa kwoto aba no samanyoni ba beka cho se economy ne mesesa no abisa ne se ekwan ben na obefa so asesa no na nyase dada amanyo sema yeye ne so beka cho se mesesa ne no ane agya nipa ne so won so obesesa de obesesa no wo se wo se ebisem ne yete ase yie esa se ne no amambo no wo ka ho bi ansa na manyoni no so aba bewrama ba beka wo se me na metu anamo no e de hyehye yeye adwuma eno so ho asem daily graphic e dia ba ma boso e de ama na new year school ya meka ho asem a wo daily graphic mu no eno na Ghanaian Times so ebo ho amane e wo ha na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ya wono na e mampani abedi eche otu franka Ediama NPP amanyoko no na eche se oba abesi digital youth village ya eno no ebeboa youth digital entrepreneurship enso aka ho bie eno ho asam Ghanaian Times said ya ba pepepe na eyo mampadi dada John Dramani Mahama na wasan so sisudua ese Ghana for bo ese ono oba obehye se oman no amamra no obema ensakraye abamu obedandam kakra na dede enye dede keke ensem kan a animdifo bi wo mramu eka ankrankra bi eka enwumako bi eka se oman na mamra no emfie duasa bakunie ehia ensesa ebi wo mutumi ni bi wo ma ede ma ebi ma ebroso dodo ebi wo mo na ensesa ban na ye yifrimu na yehunu si democracy na ye de ye adwuma no ekoyie no so no oba obehwe se reviewing constitution no ebekoso eno so ho asam wo kratafa to so dubako wo da obokrata yi mu na eno chi so ena mo eche aban asebo ese green turf construction no a mo eye wo communities ahodo Ghana fa na nyina no ekoso dende the vice president ena ekasa asem no ebra ene okoko pie mu ewo Wembley Sports Complex a wabo wo mabaso pa wo se ye ni so de hu hwemu anokra nie eba no astrotef no ho enema miami ahodo pie no ano astrotef no omo bie ho omo bie ho wo hwe se de boy youth ni mabu en wo areas no edi agro esi akan ebobo ho no ma ya na efepa na se jade ba kwa mahuni se sa astrotefa omusi ye ya na omkofri ye program so obi ye ye kro otumi kwakwaje ho no na bo ye no
awure ne parties ni ade
omo hwede ye sa na nya hwe
well na sa across sports stadium kese mo
no and they say stadium and kasa ba astrotefi de aminim the lifespan astrotefi
well I think it's a valid question. Yes
na was say enkwara akwotre ni krompa yesi aye be kwaso nti training no nya de amo be kwasa mo de ho ye de backgrounds anu ma me yahunu sa sotef na ye de backgrounds nti no so asene se nkwofo be bobo no wutumi san ye wo ho no wutu party wo ho ma ne ye omo nchemu na ye nti asiesa na CJ me de obakata fa to so edumiensa e wo Ghanaian Times mu na emrasebedwafo makomaku dunwotwe a ewo MPP mu omo nyina de omo adwuma no asi free MPP mu se enye so magya MPP ne mom no so obekwa kogina na yasato ne so aba no emrasebedwani biem no na eno no omo de asi na wo hye edin a wo ha ya edroso pa ba no dani de ma drom kase ba no dani wo emrasebedwafie yewra ye osechi mensa bo susu ame na odi ne dwuma se MP okan wakọ 7 times first deputy speaker of parliament bekwai emrasebedwani na ono so yewra Joseph Oseusu wakọ 4 times Kennedy Ohene Japan Asen Central wakọ 6 times Jogate Esikado Keten ono so akọ 5 times Samuel Tachia Atimabu akọ South wakọ 4 times na ye papa Damboche Okre ono so akọ 4 times omo maka ne Benito Usubio Atwemanwa Biaja North wakọ 5 times Kwasiamu Akwata Etiwa West 4 times Dr. Kwaku Afriye Seshiyo so 2 times Dr. Emmanuel Mafo Oforikrom 2 times na Carlos Ahenkra so akọ 2 times omo maka eye William Oreku Edu Afija Kwabre South 3 times Johnson Kwaku Edu Ahafano South West 3 times Nana Kwasia J Boateng New Jabe North wako 2 times Francis Manu Adabo wano Ahafano South East wako 2 times Suleiman Adamu Sanid Ahafano North ono so wako 2 times Ebeneza Kojokum Ahanta West 2 times na Francisca Oten Kwabre East a radio ne shoki mi CJ.
Yeah, because she's young.
Or potential and say could to me atena hwache said also the likes of Yera Oseche Mensa Bonsu ya papa Aban Bagbin the speaker of parliament Joe Wise so more 7 times ne ade no say almost so be room young sa and no de to aso na menima de bia na
bia na woni senti
na no awhwa wan sha da anya adwuma bia wo constituency a delegate de beto ano so na asesen
but Abena what omo nko bie mu si ye nhwe say wonim say high election air court and then before primary so e ba so 27 fia sitting MPs a womo eko unopposed
obi an contest wo ma
sitting MPs womo eko unopposed enti you assume netie sitting MPs a womo eko unopposed enti Abena ma ye fam Busom Tree constituency Dr. Yaw Osei Educhu
education minister enyame wanwa
obi an contest no
enyame wanwa
Patrick Yabuama Okankwe Central
Okankwe Central
Dr. John Ampontua Kuma Eduso
John Kuma
Dr. Benjamin Yeboa Seche Tano South
okay
Alhassan Tampuli Gushegu Frederick Obin Adom Upper West Akim
okay Frederick
Upper West Akim Alexander Kwamena Afenyo Make Efutu
I'm not surprised
Alex Blankson Adanse Akrofom Mustafa Yusuf Yagaba Kubori Samuel Abujinapo Damongo Dakwa Newman
Dakwa Newman
okay South
and what do I do my mentia me Bema Dominic Kisi Aboa
Dominic no
and the constituency by honor it's Dominic Kisi Aboa me chia pa baby obi
okay Dr. Nana Ayu Afriye Afijase Asokore Dr. Isaac Ya Opoku Offenso South Dr. Mohammed Amin Adam Karaga Paul Apreku Chumberima Doma East Brian Echampon Yeah.
CJ. Abetifi. Abetifi constituency de enko yenume. Eto de yentia Abetifi constituency NDC ne MP before ni nyina. Ye cheche mu nyina But honorable Brian say I was not surprised. I was not surprised. Who say before say oh yes. Because one kasa wonim say enye so na omuso so contest. Oni madwuma waye.
Yes.
And now, one Kasa delegates in the Majuma. Some member of parliament in Hawaii. Party for Nankasa cross all the delegates to China. Party for in any Majuma Sa MP in Hawaii. Now they infer education minister. They infer a constituency. Yenshan and Womasuma Juma Papana was our constituency one. And Yan the Ketua. John Kuma. A Juma, I hear a John Kuma Yano and the Ketua. It's one Kasa no Shasa or Quaco to seek a Guso contest. And Penny for when you show no Brenda Tampon. A Juma or one Yajuma Ketua. It's one of all the sectors are. You know, just say extraordinary. It is suddenly a mummy na wonko.
Makana sanity. Makachre MPP for say. Some person mu break 8 no. MP bia wa bon.
Oh, some man omuma kwanya contest no. It we no be contest no.
Ni huawu. Ba ko na mani tuani. Me MP. Na odi abna edruha odi nyabotre edruha na odi ba ku be se miame die mu ho na me mo ne di nansa miame die mu ho na akrofo abna wa ye adwuma no ye na wa he adwuma no adwuma na kasa ma wo MPs a wo mo ekọ no post ni odi ho eye Martin Ejemensa Kosa Techiman South yes yanko Alexander Jan, Kintampo South, Ambrose Derry, Nandom, Lydia Seiram Alhassan, I also West.
I was our best you. Papa. Because we said you see 2020, no, 2024, same candidates now both parties, no, at your mobile, you heard any more thing.
Dominic Bengab Aduna Nitiwu, Dominic Nitiwu, Bimbila
constituency. Okay.
Alhaji Habib Idrisu Tolong constituency.
It's areas when Munina no, I was sent penny for Mokono post to me ye Jumani say, Ombe maintain city no. Ediama MPP. See, who says you drew so honum na, will be able to one yana and said that ye MPP ni stronghold say we there do or die say the other constituencies be cancel it say the mo kwan no mo kono asodi abeda mo so say the tie bia no e wo so mo maintain this seat no edema
Abena yadumi diem Alexander Akwasi Akwa Achimoda
on oppose
papa
oh that's wonderful
na MP otimi yi ono anu botom sika 1 million Ghana cedis e de ye kwan
wa ya de enye me ho enye me ho enti honorable Achimoda constituency money adwuma enti adwuma wo ye on say wa party for na hunu delegates hunu enti obia me contest enti ko se no ekokase no 2024 December 7 enti bisa said ye wo ye ya party hunu enti obia contest no sa adwuma no ano kroma ni nyina constituency ni nyina no omahunu ni sa e dia ma wana
the honorable member of parliament for Efutu constituency Honorable Alexander Apenyo marking ewa ahoma so honorable bato otimi kan Adom FM so ni yema official pa
mpocho afin komotin afide tena therefore 1 million kwan
meto catch papa honorable
no ye
ede nyame ase enje constituency boko de
Adoma
Nansa and NDC where press conference ma one chairman national chairman or address Ghana for now one of the things okay say MPP for when you moya and by this time minister chinya wa say will prepare one handover notes the man say me it's then honorable yanchen come ask me for
it's a political statement it's an election year sometimes even the way our boxers or boxing outside the boxing ring, they do more than they do in the ring. So it's normal. I mean, I'm a politician, and I understand some of these moves, but we should be reminded that Ghana first. Sometimes, you know, but you are inciting people and you are doing something that would affect the peace of the country. And that's the only thing I think we should be mindful of. Otherwise, political jobs, they are part of politics, and we can take it. I mean, I was a bit disappointed in the dishonorable statement made by Mr. Asedun Katia. I will not call him dishonorable Asedun Katia out of respect for him. But the dishonorable statement he made to the whole country, to the president.
But I want to from Yanka Fancy Kaka.
Meka today.
Medasi.
Messi, or make a dishonorable statement against Manchester. The BB Kodu Simpa on in fact, journalists now, Ofi TV3, Ozzy, the Minister Botu Guanu. And you made that TV3 for Wasakana because he lied to them and he was giving them information on Yanokwa. Into TV3 now, a branch had not started the agenda no one. That TV3 reporter has been sacked by TV3.
On influencer.
Oh, what do you mean?
Okay.
How can you answer the question?
I'm about to no.
You don't even have to please. Excuse me, my brother. There are some questions that you don't ask. Me catch you there. Them journalists now, Oscar Kushisamano, TV3 has sacked him.
Okay.
And you are saying that my influence. Why can you do this?
I don't want to
exactly. I mean, sometimes you, the media, to ask the right question. I'm telling you that Asedun Katia has relied on Abena no Kata. And as a natural chairman, what Jay-Z Doya Emma Wire press conference and citing me and using certain adjectives to describe me, unfortunately. He's an elderly person, so it's fine. But I'm telling you that Nippon started the agenda has been financed by new employers, Oya TV3, for them acquisition was about to go because TV3 proud the way we use one network to give wrong information. That's the point I want to drive home. In any event, Winneba, all the 18 seats, were empty people. And these are only one seat people. So it's not a matter of we won majority of the seats. We won all the seats. And then Brandon Damakano, one MP, NDC member, and Alata Kokodo electoral area. They said that because the voting had delayed, one manner, one two aba. And the police came in to say that you can't do that. Then you say somebody carried military and police and intimidate or whatever. It's not fair. And sometimes the idea of politics, I say, intimacy, I just say, don't politics, I mean, or you put to politics. Yamfa, a charcoal, na second into in your politics, or whatever. Umbra, nobody send me. Into one hour, one them walk up with some children, or your worker, not when good in my soul, begum.
Okay, Honorable Bacho, Yambra Parliament, as we speak, MPP MPSA, Wokufi, and I won't you. I think about 18 of them. You happen to be the deputy majority leader.
Not that I happen to be the deputy majority.
You are. Forgive my language. Forgive. You are the deputy majority leader. The 18 MPs. Some of them say institutions in Parliament. What papa? Obenya effect be on Ejuma Waye and Mashibu Gofio. Honorable.
Zamutuma in there. Among your some origins. MP. It's not easy to be a legislator. The pressure from constituents, the pressure of the main job of legislation, and other responsibility on the phone. Inteno, onya mwa the MP be back at the wabre. Oyezin. And we just there as an institution, as he been more connected, been more about, and been more sphere. Inteno. Politics more to him, but I can tell you that a human on the phone.
I see. Say, what are the current leadership? Maybe a few words for Penifua Wokufi, and then some of the lessons are well shared you one and how you are going to use that to better the discourse in Parliament. Honorable.
Well, I would encourage all outgoing MPs and even all former MPs to make time to write. We need their memoir. They should write about their experiences. They should share with us. And I would also suggest the Parliament as an institution, one of the things are there and there. Yebenya budget for former MPs. Now also working when I was at show Buku, because Buku Nutrono Obwa is part of the resources I have here. Now yes, a train the new MPs and a new MPs working. When would they them not or them paying experience it will be a useful guide. Yeah.
I think it's a very good suggestion.
But public life is tiring.
Yeah.
Time for your family. Time. You want to spend time with your family. Then the demands of the job. You want to do this. You have to travel. You have to be in the constituency. Oh. It's not easy. It's not easy.
Yeah.
A lot of MPs will tell you. They don't get the attention of their wives. They don't get the attention of their children. Their children don't get the attention. Their wives don't get the attention. Their family members don't get the attention because they're always on the move.
Yeah.
And the way politics is now, with the social media, the fluidity is very high. Information fluidity, the way things move with the speed of light. Your constituents are ever written out. There are so many ways of contacting you. Facebook, TikTok, WhatsApp, etc. And all the demands are cutting in at the same time. School fee, medical, employment, etc. It's not easy. And sometimes, your physical presence And not even sometimes, most times, your physical presence is needed in the constituency. And in the case of being in government, you may be a minister, and government also needs you. And then you may be sent outside on a government business. What is the time for the wife? What is the time for your mother, your extended family, your children, your loved ones? It's not easy.
Honorable Obandama, where do you draw the line between family and work and all these things? From your experience.
It also means that we have to plan well. We are free, our health.
Yes. It's very important.
MPs leave office, or when people are in public life, maybe they don't come and discuss. But, Charlie, there are serious health issues. You are not sleeping well. Look, last 2022, I had pulmonary embolism. Or a blood clot, D-dimer, was very high. I was in Winneba, all of a sudden, and Nyamin Kochini. 5 years ago, was it 2018? I had pneumonia. I had to do regular checkup, and my doctor said, no, you have a problem here, check it. And I was admitted 2 weeks. And 2022, D-dimer was very high. If you're on pulmonary embolism, I will tell you that it's not a medical condition.
What is that?
You can die.
No.
Because we blood clot all over. One lungs, it's all because a drain, a core, a river. You are not resting. You are not doing this. And a lot of people have medical conditions because of the nature of the job. You are not even getting enough time to exercise. So it also calls for us to plan. Public life, we must plan. Our colleagues in advanced jurisdictions, when you engage them, they really plan. And the state has provided resources for them to commit to personal or family life and public life. But in Ghana, which MP is paid for holiday? One Moscato, another in a dividend correct, something here and there. You sleep at midnight, wake up at dawn, and you have to get on the go. Because the public needs you. And the wage man is it wonderful? Whether you're CPP, the NDC, MPP, public life, political public life is not easy. It's a never-ending job. You need to work and work hard.
No, he has serious.
All the challenges.
Yes, serious management. So you need to manage and at the time you spend at
that's
work.
What I'm saying there. Brother, you need the resources. You see, democracy is expensive, and that is the thing as a country we need to understand. In your MP, you need a whole resource base. You need researchers. You need people, policy advisors. You need communication advisors. You need a whole team to aid you to do your job, to function and function well. So sometimes you guys criticize us there. Oh, the MP on the MP or debate on Tumunkasa. Now, if we need the resources, how would he talk? Democracy, imperatives, it requires a lot. And sometimes we gloss over it. We look at it as if but it's not easy. An MP, a DC, an MC must be well resourced to do the work and do it well. Ministers are lucky because they have the ministry with the technocrats, so they are better off. But for MP, DCs even also have some technocrats around them, but very limited. But MP needs to go away. And we need to look at that. Because the stress levels are high. And even the expenditure. Everybody is depending on you. Everybody is counting on you. So Let me end it here. Thank you very much. I'm getting
Wadaroma, you are going on a post, honorable. So then finally, not Minjo Kwan, Wadaroma.
I'm getting into a meeting. Thank you very much. We'll talk again. Let me say.
Honorable Alexander Afenyo Markins, and Archie on the Deputy Majority Leader and Member of Parliament for a Futu constituency. Abena, and then but honorable raising issues, power. We're raising issues, power. Pressure MPs, one more femuno. Oh, unya time, Emma Wankazanga Sampo.
Say that many.
We hear no ma.
Daddy, what be a man sign boafo. And I know many Yura Tatia on Bium.
Yeah.
Na and Sama opinion kind, you know. CJ. MPs are suffering. It will be sound says I said the old Chibuche says Sanetia Padia. A didn't know be a press or Bekoya member of parliament. A didn't know be a press or Bekoya member of parliament. And what I said, Omu ono tietre ohunu ne so members of parliament obudidi kan na ohunu no land cruiser na hu so otimu a wode koba yo so okwado won kita land cruiser kita ye besia ensa besia ne yete no besia no wode ye ne campaign so hu enti no coffee ozo ka bu sempo akonya te yete ye sije ye wakonya obi a wakonya me wa hai me yadwuma ma multimedia tua meka based on no multimedia kwakwaje besia ayede me pese me de ye so atase enya wakatua na bekere. But this is a case me say honorable attachia say this one person or constituency or say oni panba no so opemwa ena omano 10,000 Ghana cedis kofi your friend say you so wo hodma ne pa ne samba ya adan 10,000 say Ghana dia 10,000 enya hwentika obenya 30,000 bia ma na 20,000 mama ne dia ka ho a ono wagisika na kwa bebe ka cho se ne Ghana no ukita 10,000 enya hwe ube kum kwa na oni obia wo na busua mu a wo ma ne sika de bi da but ohunu ne say MP woska no MP say obia wutu so di pade woni bia ono abaso wo hia moa asije waboa no amane kakra de ba fees no sani pa no ba ya obesugu so adu sika man no ubekwa kwato no we constituency a ensam nya temdidi a wodi efa wo no wo se esa na ebubu na koma but then na abaye wo so be MP wo dan ekra won sorry odi e bodan.
I don't envy them.
O say 3 arms of government the members of parliament na almost suffer pa they are suffering.
I don't envy them.
Okwaware no ni sika what MP man sika nkwaware. Ne busua ni free mu na no what MP man sika no fa nkoto han nkonya enkoto fundaka no fa manya yie. Ne basco fees I was say MP na ye. Ne kwan was say MP na ye. Wo hie so say MP na ye. Na seje ya no me bisa senti ye ma mo sa pressure no sika no okofa wen. Okofa wen.
Enra na mene oda MP kasa. And our brain send be so etremia car wabo even MP sunu a womo ekọ on post no kra no e car because we MP na okọ on opposer na no nche delegate no onyo am Brunya baba 500 delegates be there wo no 500 we na be 200 and something thousand Ghana cedis.
Over 2 billion. Bebre now they are living on a sika or did you so sika nyane dia enti na o to aso bia na wo ka no so kwosoro enti die enti na board ma ye wo ha sije obi betumi a member of parliament oba fie wi na fei ne kaka na ka chi no wo dia beko ka ma ukọ ne ka cho say asoma si we na oye a former member of parliament and I say now you member of parliament wonyi ni
I'm not listening me wi
to aso sije
me do him fampo em say me do achimada me do Alexander Kwesi Akwa achim order na ono na abrante bi unity ho ananse
yeah so amfa
so okay former order MP your friend tempo William Kwetu
eh wo ho ono kwaso no wa agree kwa na boa
yeah so also resigning say resigning you say ono resigning ti wa mabiu and honorable Alexander Kwesi Akwa and walk wabo adwuma wa order
that is good order dey die mu anti no ye adwuma na no ma ye ne ye
the odi ho a new job in south Michael Ochiribefi.
MOB. Ayo, yetiano.
Ono so na yetete yesi one isi regional minister.
Isi regional minister North.
But you be maintain what's be as woman.
Oh, anyame wanwa.
Yeah.
Anyame wanwa CJ.
Chairman Kojo Boateng set a champion girafa. And woman Michael Ochiribefi. Sir,
say the adane.
Woman tells us Ochiribefi echo on the post.
No.
Your baby unity. Example. Me South wow, baby unity. Some could contest Michael Ochiribefi. I'm Ochiribefi. No, na chairman regional minister. And no sound command so if you are rabbi before I ring this.
Aye, near Hobede. Now, no, so that me who stories to be a him for be a one new job in North or no. Oma confirm me. Edia to just oban for the crown delegate sent you a year set kwabe a champion. That's all on any pabe for ne contest. Any pabe for ne contest. Anobeshi partner ha. Anya me one mum. Anya me one say year set kwame. Ebe to me a room up here. Anya me one. Edi we me be born of French. No born of bro farmer me. Jean-Pierre. Jean-Pierre. A French and I'm a bono of mommy. Jean-Pierre. As I'm not a critical. See you, but I'm over for the woman passer. I didn't.
But the son of Nicahumpe. Jean-Pierre Ameu.
What is that? John Peter never been seen, but I don't perceive. It's John Peter Ameu.
Jean-Pierre.
No, so much as I saw call after 2024. No,
yeah.
I'm so after 2024. No, so be you. It's a say no, one people don't obey the only to me. I retain.
Well, maybe na onwano ewo exit.
Yeah.
Or will be a party no at the constituency level. No, Grumobia, and no, and your primary assembly.
Debut on one best son and sir.
Not Napa Bigna.
Hey, I share 2024 back.
Yeah.
So move a time at Caswant on Twaswa.
Yeah.
Because who's a one Ankasana and said that yet, and yes, I said that, and yan PPC.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
And no, Juma Dian, why yentino, or man for who said that be, or ya dear, no more dear Quenya Mano, and a one woman you must say, well, ye Jumano, into your hair. So Mobile Saya Aquaswam and not some recipe Janinoa. Now for you who say after 2024, no, they way forward in ye.
Yanko Lambushi constituency. Bright Balgi Yelviel.
And also call no
yeah, and also call on the pose.
Okay.
It didn't move. Bright Balgi Yelviel. Now for Union constituency. Oscar Lewal.
And also call no pose.
Yeah, and Tahidu Abdul Razak Cherepone. And also call on the post. And Seshi Akontomra Alex Tete. John Bois. And also
John Bois.
Yeah. Upper Dentra East. Festus Ewa Kofi. And also on the post. And Asen South. Assemblies of God, Software, Deputy Education Minister, Reverend John in Team Fojo.
On also call on opposed. Nina ye.
New Tatokra, Tatale Sanguli, Thomas Mbumba. On also on opposed. Nipa Ediasa Mienu, 32 members of Parliament. And Omoko on opposed.
January 27 for the Hey, and said by MPP bet to me a close to governor parliament no January 27 for so it is so be free hold my banner and the candidates no mo be your modi o makono and na e betre ye de ye ha your election headquarters ye bebo amane no pepe se dia e be si bia na CJ say enne na Abdul Razak file 2 aduane na ono ani nyina ne na owie enti e nka say anopa no ndua na owie nem say aduane na ono ano it's a bimpa, my woman saw ye jollof no a quansembe me and sunny yet to see just what or ye jollof no sign to do. We are, and I don't know any debate party no. No movie at times I twas so no. Abena,
my flight. Are you ready?
Out the way.
Yeah, me pump.
Out the way.
Me kwa kudi jollof maybe.
Oh,
we 3 hours 45 minutes.
Who